Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you share your TikTok profile to your friends. So let's start up the process. Open up your TikTok app, then tap on profile at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on three lines at the top of the screen. Then tap on third option, settings and privacy. Then tap on fifth option, share profile. Now you can see you are able to share your profile to your friends through WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. You can also copy your profile link here. So if you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.